Hello awesome kids. Today we are diving into an important skill, balancing formal and informal tones in our talks. So let's get started. Imagine you are chatting with friends about your favorite game. Then it should be in an informal tone like this. Hey, guess what? I leveled up in the game last time. Now imagine you are presenting a project in class. Then formal tone takes the stage like this. Ladies and gentlemen, today I'll share fascinating insights about our project. Now, here's the exciting part. Sometimes you mix the two. Imagine you are doing a group project with friends. Use a bit of formality to show teamwork. Hello everyone, let's create an amazing project together. And when you are talking to family or pals, add informality for fun like this. Hey guys, wanna hear the coolest part of my day? Remember, it's a language adventure, so choose the tone that fits. Formal, informal, or mix it up. It's your call. So practice, have fun, and be fantastic communicators. Show the world your awesomeness. See you next time, fantastic learners.